Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 dual dash cams you can buy today. If you've ever wanted to know which dash cam delivers the best footage, the most useful features, and has the right balance for your budget, stick around. I've installed and tested each of these cams for real-world use, so you're getting insights beyond just specs. This is first-hand experience from the road. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more automotive tech reviews. Also, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to learn more about each of these cams or to buy one for yourself. With that, let's start our countdown from number 5, all the way to the top pick. Number 5. Thinkware U1000 Dual Dash Cam. Coming in at number 5, we have the Thinkware U1000. Now, this isn't just any dash cam. It's a premium, high-end choice for those who want 4K resolution in the front and 2K in the rear. When I set this up for a client, I could immediately see the sharpness. Every tiny detail in the video is crystal clear, and that's a game changer if you're driving in crowded cities or through scenic routes where you want everything captured. The U1000 is packed with advanced safety alerts, from lane departure to front collision warnings, which can really help if you're on long drives and tend to get fatigued. Its parking mode is awesome. It records any impact or movement around your car, so you get peace of mind when your car's parked. Now, this does come at a price. It's definitely on the higher end, but for some, it's well worth it. Pros: top-notch video quality with 4K front and 2K rear. Parking mode with motion detection. Advanced driver assistance like lane departure and collision warnings. High heat resistance, so no worries in extreme weather. Cloud connectivity for easy backup of videos. Cons: pricey, may be overkill for casual users. Number 4. Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. At number 4 is the Vantrue N4. This one is unique because it's a 3-channel dash cam, which means it records the front, rear, and inside the cabin. I've installed this for Uber and Lyft drivers, and it's been a lifesaver. The 1440p front and 1080p rear resolutions give you great clarity, and that cabin camera is an extra layer of security, capturing any activity inside the car. This dash cam is designed for continuous use, and its infrared night vision in the cabin is super helpful in low light. It's a solid choice for rideshare drivers or anyone looking for that extra layer of security. Pros: 3-channel recording, front, rear, and inside the cabin. Infrared night vision for clear low-light recording. Parking mode with impact detection. Loop recording, so you never run out of storage. Durable build that withstands high temperatures. Cons: lacks built-in Wi-Fi, so transferring footage isn't as convenient. Number 3. Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Next up, we have the Rove R2-4K. For those of you who want ultra-high resolution without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic pick. The Rove records in 4K, giving you stunning clarity, and it's packed with features that are super user-friendly. One standout is its built-in GPS, which logs your location and speed, a great bonus for anyone using this for insurance purposes. What impressed me most while installing this is the night vision. It's one of the best I've seen, even on dark roads. The Wi-Fi connection is another plus, making it easy to download footage straight to your phone. Pros: 4K video quality for crystal clear images. Built-in GPS for location and speed tracking. Superb night vision for clear night recordings. Wi-Fi enabled for easy file transfers. Affordable for the features it packs. Cons: its interface could be more intuitive, takes time to get used to. Number 2. Redtiger F7N Dual Dash Cam. In the runner-up spot, we've got the Redtiger F7N. This dash cam packs a serious punch with 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, delivering excellent image quality. It's been one of my favorites for ease of use. The installation is quick and hassle-free, which my clients love, and it's compatible with a wide range of cars. A huge plus here is the night vision and GPS tracking. It makes this dashcam a top pick for nighttime drivers. It also comes with a free 32GB memory card right out of the box, so you're ready to go. Pros: high-resolution recording in 4K and 2.5K. Built-in GPS for accurate location tracking. Excellent night vision capabilities. Easy installation process. Comes with a 32GB memory card. Cons: doesn't have cloud storage, so you need to transfer footage manually. Number 1. Viofo A129 Plus Duo Dashcam. And finally, taking the top spot is the Viofo A129 Plus Duo. This dashcam has it all and hits the perfect balance of quality, features, and price. With 2K front and 1080p rear resolution, it provides stunning clarity for both day and night. What really stood out to me is the Sony Starvis sensor, which captures superb detail even in low light, making it perfect for nighttime drives. It's packed with useful features like built-in Wi-Fi and GPS and has a reliable parking mode that monitors your car even when you're not around. I've installed this for clients who wanted all-around protection without overpaying, and the feedback has been great. Plus, the A129 Duo's compact design makes it discreet, so it doesn't obstruct your view. Pros: high-quality Sony Starvis sensor for great night performance. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Compact and discreet design. Reliable parking mode. Excellent value for money. Cons: no cloud connectivity. Footage storage relies on an SD card. So, there you have it. My top 5 picks for the best dual dash cams on Amazon. Each of these cameras has its own strengths, from ultra-high 4K clarity to 3-channel recording for full coverage, so it really comes down to what you need most. If any of these caught your eye, make sure to check the links in the description below for more details and to grab one for yourself. And if you're serious about protecting yourself on the road, a dash cam is one of the best investments you can make. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more car tech reviews, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.